Well, hey everybody, Mike here. I want to take a second to go over this dust right separator with you in case you're on the fence and looking at making a purchase on this. If you're just getting into the world of woodworking and you're trying to figure out where to start, the minute you start doing any kind of sanding, planing, or whatnot, you really need to consider into stepping into at least some kind of dust collection system. Now, most of us in the DIY world, when you first start off, you probably start with just your regular shop vac and you hook that up for your dust collection. We've all done that, right? How many vacuums have you burnt through over the years? I had 2. So on my 3rd vacuum, I decided I need to take a little bit better care of it. And that's where I stepped into this. When I started getting serious about the craft and wanted to actually start producing some of my stuff like craft shows and whatnot, I decided this was the next step I needed to take. So basically this turns your shop vac into a 2-stage dust collection system. Most of your dust and debris is going to end up in this container here. In fact, almost 99% of it will. And this is going to drastically increase the life of your shop vac and your investment. Now what's neat about this is this will hold up to 10 gallons. And on the back side of this thing here, you've got a fill line. That's where they recommend you actually stop to empty this thing out before you continue. It will go a little higher. Don't ask me how I know. You start getting into like using a planer or whatnot, this thing fills up fast. When you're using it for just like your regular sanders or whatnot, this thing will last forever. Now, eventually over time, I ended up upgrading from this and going to that dust collection system that I've got back there on the wall. And that stays permanent and it pretty much runs everything in this corner of the shop. Now, if I'm ever out in the other end of my shop there, this thing still gets pulled out and used from time to time, although it doesn't get used like it did when I first bought it. This thing has been worth its weight in gold since the day I got it, and it's lived in this shop for almost pushing 10 years now. Now, when you first get this thing out of the box, it basically comes in 2 pieces. These 2 pieces here locked together. Then you've got your cyclone lid up here on the top. This will come with this hose here. This will hook up to most of your standard equipment, and then you can just run your 2 1/4 inch shop vac hose to the other end, and you'll get you down the road. Now, eventually what I ended up deciding to do was upgrading to another hose, which is the one I use most of the time, and this is for like your sanders and whatnot. What's nice about this is instead of having to reduce down from that big hose, so I'm able to hook that up to the end of my sander or biscuit joiner or whatever it is I'm using that day, and this thing follows me around, takes all the dust. At the end of my sanding session or whatever it is I'm working on, there's very little dust in the air. So this thing does an incredibly good job of keeping that dust knocked down for me and keeping it out of my lungs. So that's something to consider when you get this thing as well, is to look into some of the add-on pieces to see what might work within your shop and the situations you're wanting to put this thing into. Now when it comes to this barrel here, it is on 5 little caster wheels. There have been several comments made over the years about how this thing being tip prone. To be honest, I can't remember a time where I've ever actually tipped it over, me personally. I know my wife did once. We won't talk about that. To me, it seems like it's got a pretty low center of gravity. It could be tipped over if you're being careless or just not paying attention to it. They do make a strap that will strap this to your shop vac system, so they kind of become one rolling unit together. That's something worth considering if you're worried about that tip over function. But in all honesty, they sell those other cyclones that just kind of mount to the top, and I feel like those are a lot more tip prone than this is for what it is. If this thing were to take somewhat of a spill, I've seen several examples on the internet of this lid taking the brunt of the force if it were to fall over. And if that lid cracks, it is kind of hard to get the suction you need to be able to make this thing operate the way it needs to. So keep that in mind. And like I said, for close to 10 years now, I've been running this thing since these things first came out. I haven't had that problem yet. Everybody's going to have a different experience. But quite what I said at the beginning of this video, when you're just getting started and you can't really necessarily afford the big, expensive, fancy tools, this is a great way to get in and going and take care of your dust collection and also protect your couple $100 shop vac at the same time, or whatever it is you might be using. I really do recommend the purchase of this product. I think it's going to be a huge time saver for you. That's all I've got for you today on this review, guys. I appreciate you watching this one. I will catch you guys on the next one.